In this week's Garden Diaries, I wanted to share with you the new poppy that I've been waiting for. It took 6 months from seed to flowering, so I have been waiting for a while to finally see this ornamental poppy. I've been trying to get as much joy out of my red poppies as I can, and they don't last very long, but it's been around for 2 days now. This is on its 3rd day, and it's still here, and there's more to come. Today I'm going to harvest. I need to harvest my nasturtium pod seeds. I'm going to ferment them, and I need to harvest some green beans. I want to pinch off the green beans. That way they don't stop producing and they'll keep going. So I'm going to start harvesting that today, and the nasturtium seeds. Now, nasturtium seeds have been prolific for me, and I haven't had to harvest them that often, but I should. So I'm going to start doing that today, and I have saved some for next year. I am going to start harvesting. It was recently Mother's Day, and my boys were so sweet and picked out a bunch of flowers for me to pot up, and I had my little one help me pot up the petunias that he picked out. So today is quite a windy day, and I am planning on potting up some flowers I got for Mother's Day. I have some purple Calibrachoa and some geranium ivy. I thought I would refresh one of my hanging planters, the only one I have, and it's been attacked by squirrels, so I figured that I would refresh it with a new liner. The squirrels have been using it as a nest. They've been taking the liner out to create a nest for themselves. So I need to replenish that and add new fresh soil and add some flowers. I do have some mint in there, which I'll repot for somewhere else. And I'll take that out and go ahead and put in the new flowers I got. I think it'll add a nice touch of color, pop of color. The other petunias that I got from my boys was this pretty sort of reddish pink with a greenish yellow center. So I put it here in the green pot. Such a pretty color. I can't even describe this color exactly because it's not red, it's not pink, it's not burgundy, but it's not hot pink either. It's a lovely, like muted pink. Even looks red at some point, so but it does get lighter and turns into a lighter shade and a pretty yellow center, but it starts off almost green in the middle. One last thing I want to do is plant my Echinacea, get this in the ground since it is very showy and it is flowering pretty much full bloom, so better get this in the ground. So my Echinacea is in place. I love how butter yellow the flowers become when they get older. Absolutely love it. So do the birds apparently. And I love the salvia. I am planning on getting some more purples for this area to tie in the other purples and pinks that I have. So I think I'm going to get a lavender to go with the Russian sage and a lavender that will match that. My yellow calendulas are also pretty bright, but I don't mind. I'm glad they're adding more yellows. So I definitely will have to be adding more pinks now and more purples. So this, for example, is going to be a purple poppy. That's coming soon. It is an annual though, but perennials is what I'm hoping for to get, is more perennials. At the very end of this video, I wanted to share a little trip we took to Bear River here in California. Sometimes you just need a break and get into nature. And if you did make it this far, please consider subscribing and liking the video.